In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a PlayStation 5 controller to an iPhone in order to play COD Mobile. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting our PlayStation 5 controller in pairing mode. Now, to do that, what you want to do is you want to press on this button on the top right over here and this button towards the center. So you want to hold on them at the same time. So go ahead and hold on them for like about a couple seconds, maybe 6 to 7 seconds, and then afterwards you will now notice that we'll get the blue lights flashing. Now, once you see the flashing lights, that is how you know that it is in pairing mode. From here, take out your iPhone and open up your settings. Then please go ahead and open up the Bluetooth settings right over here, and you want to make sure that it is turned on. Then afterwards, in this list, you should see the option that says DualSense wireless controller. So yep, it is over here in the bottom, and all you want to do is you want to press on it just like so, and then it is going to say connected. You will know it is connected once the color turns orange. And then from there, all you need to do is you need to open up COD Mobile and begin having fun. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.